How to create an Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on Create New Account. Enter your mobile phone number and then click Next. After that, tap on Create New Account again. Now enter the OTP that you received on the number you provided and then click Next. Create a password for your account and tap Next. Then click Save. After that, enter your date of birth and press Next, followed by entering your full name and clicking Next again. Now you will be asked to create a username. You can keep the suggested one or type your own. For here example, I chose the username, it's Nickel1815. Once you stirred happy with it, tap Next and then agree to the terms. Next, Instagram will ask you to add a profile picture. If you want, you can upload one by tapping here on Add Picture, but I chose to skip it. After that, you would still see Welcome to Instagram with your username. Tap Next and choose whether to allow notifications. Instagram may also ask you to connect with Facebook. If you want, you can here continue. Otherwise, just skip. It will then suggest following friends, which you can do now or skip for later. Since I used my phone number to sign up, I skipped adding an email address as well. That sets it. As you can see, my Instagram account has been successfully created. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and don't forget to leave a comment about how you liked the video. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.